Hello traders, in today's video we're going to be talking about TACharts.live. This is a site that pulls all charts that retail traders post on TradingView for us to see. So we can scroll and we can see many cryptocurrencies and the analysis of various traders on them. The ebook that I'd recommend to accompany this, if you want to put this into practice, is Gravity. Gravity covers price action and volume trading, and it probably will pair quite well with what we're going to talk about today. And that will be linked in the description below. With that, let's go into it. So what we can see here from this free site, let's just begin and see what I will see for each post. Now the goal for this video is you can pick up other indicators because a lot of people are posting these TA charts on crypto. So there are a lot of cool indicators that you can get from this video, but what I'm more interested in is just seeing what people think is going to happen to Bitcoin, because even a few posts can really tell me what is probably not going to happen to Bitcoin, because I typically bet against the people who post charts like this. Because if anything, I'm more of a guy who bets against other people's TA, as dark as that sounds. All right, what's not dark is, well, what is dark is this, because we're in dark mode. Now we're not in light mode, but what's not dark is these beautiful charts that people have posted. Let's go in. This guy is looking at Link Euro with to the euro with Heiken Ashi with daily candlesticks, and he has an ATR for volatility, and it looks like he has the Ishimoku cloud, and we've got a diagonal line upward, and it looks like he wants to buy here, but that would require price to drop 40-45%, and then he wants to buy there. So I don't know if I would call that bearish and bullish, but more bearish, I guess, on Link. This guy is looking at Link as well. We got another linker. This guy is very bullish on Link, for sure. He sees a symmetrical triangle, just a lot of other things going on here too, waves of EMAs, and he thinks that Link is going to continue upward. Okay, bullish on Link. Okay, we got another guy on Link. Oh, it's the same one as before. Or is it the same? No, it's not the same. It's a bit different. This guy is thinking that the top is in. So this guy is bearish on Link. Second post of his. This guy's another person posting about Link, and this is not telling me anything. Just maybe he wants to sell here, buy here. That's all. Link again. Who would know? Oh, next one's Link. Shocker. This guy's pretty bullish on... I think I would say this looks bullish on Link, except that RSI is very high, so typically most traders regard that as bearish. But if I was to say, is this guy trying to give us a bullish sentiment or bearish sentiment? I'd say bullish. The way he's framing it makes it look quite bullish. Ethereum. Okay, on to Bitcoin, really nothing I can tell you there. Symmetrical triangle. This is the same guy as before, who is posting a Link, but he's posting the same thing with what he wants to do with Bitcoin. He thinks that Bitcoin is going to fall, and he wants to buy it at right below 7K. He wants a 26% drop, bearish on Bitcoin. This guy's bearish on Bitcoin as well. Clearly, he's pointing to a lot of sell volume and thinks that Bitcoin will likely fall. Okay, this guy, I don't really know what's going on with this fella. This guy thinks that ZIL is about to pump 55%, or is that a candle wick? No, I think he thinks it's going to pump 55%. I don't think that's a wick by the looks of it, but correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, that is a very bright chart. You can just see, like, when I go up here versus like here, this guy is just like very bright on OMG, but there are so many lines I don't even know what to say. I feel like this might be more of a comedy episode than a strategy episode, but those are always fun. I don't know really what to say with this one. I wouldn't really call it bearish or bullish. This guy's just got some horizontal lines. Cool. What? Okay, so this guy posted a comp USD on Coinbase that just got listed, and we have really no data on it. He just posted 5 15-minute candlesticks because, oh, all right. He solved the markets, as you can see. This guy, LA Wave Theory, okay, cool. Ethereum, he's bullish on Ethereum with LA Wave Theory, and he's also, same guy? Yeah, same guy. This guy's also bullish on Bitcoin. There's a lot going on here, but he thinks that Bitcoin's going to rise, as you can see. So he thinks that we're in a wave 5, the final push up, and that price is going to rise. All right. I don't really know what to say with that, with Zcash. Just cool. This guy drew a bow and arrow. Yep, this guy has a really cool bow and arrow and some computer simulation here, so it looks like it's a combination of the Matrix and also, I don't know, thousands of years ago. You know, you get that classic bow and arrow shape, you know that means that it's a moonshot. I think this guy is bullish. Yeah, so this guy's posting, hey, Link is going to rise. So many people are bullish on Link right now. So many people are bullish on Link. That's a volume spike if I've ever seen one on Zcash. I wonder, has Zcash fallen yet? Okay, let's go look at Zcash and Link. I think Zcash with that much volume has probably fallen. Just curious. Zeke USD, yeah, we'll do Binance. Ooh, interesting chart. I like this. This is a very interesting chart. A lot of wicks. It's kind of all over the place. But what, you know, we've all been waiting for, really, what everyone's been talking about and posting is Link. So let's go look at Link. So Link still looks like it's in that uptrend. It just is consolidating up here, as you can see. It just seems like so many people are bullish on this, though. And I bet you, let's go to TRDR. Let's go see how traders are actually positioned. I don't know how they are, but I'll bet you that there's a good amount short. I mean long, pardon me, not short, long. Oh, I was so wrong. Look at this. It seems like the total traders, a lot of them are going short. We have open interest rising, meaning people are hopping into positions, and we see just people are just shorting like crazy. Top traders are kind of doing the same, but I gotta say, I mean, there's just so much shorting on Link right now, which could actually fuel price to go higher, which makes me bullish. Yeah, this is it. Link is interesting. So it looks like a lot of chartists on TradingView are bullish. That's not Link, but are bullish on Link. But it seems like a lot of their trades are actually bearish. Dash pumped. Whoa. Okay, we got the pentagram of doom. I think here. This is like some people's analysis. I can laugh at their analysis, but they will probably laugh at my analysis. You know, it's kind of like, but I just don't really see how this has any edge or advantage or alpha anyway. But maybe someone in the comments is gonna be like, the fib line glance and the MMAR are critical. You know, I'm going to be hated for that. All right, we got bow and arrow guy back. And accumulation distribution. Okay, so what I got through that 25 is, it seems like if that's my reconnaissance mission, you know, what did I learn from my reconnaissance mission? Well, it seems like a good amount of chartists are bullish on Bitcoin. However, a large amount of positions are actually bearish on, not on Bitcoin, on Link. But actually a large amount of positions are actually bearish on Link, which is making me kind of confused with it. But I think that we could actually get something like this. If we were to take the path of most pain, meaning how can we prove as many people as wrong as possible with coin, the path of most pain on Link, and this is actually something that might actually occur, is going to be very high volatility. You get something like this, like right above 5, just to hit all their stop losses, bye. And then like that. That would be the path of like max pain. On the 4 hour, it looks like that. Let's go back to auto scale. Yeah, so if we get something like a pump right above 5, and also that's above these highs here, so anyone who put their stop loss like right here, you get a high volatility pump right above 5, and then you just crash the price. And when we crash the price, we're probably going to, we probably get it down to like 4.6, which is previous resistance here, because there may be actually underwater shorts here. And if there are a lot of underwater shorts here, they might want to buy if price comes back here. So it seems like that would make all the TA chartists who post on Link, who are so bullish, they would be like, oh my God, we're all right. You know what? TA is showing that Link's going to the moon. TA works so well. Everyone's like, oh my God, TA is great. And then it just crashes. I think that could be something that happens on Link. Okay, let's refresh. I've made an analysis on one from these guys. So yeah, when that bar goes to nothing, it's going to refresh the page and we're going to get some more analysis if anyone else posted any TA charts. So come on, give me something funny. Give me the MMAR with the blow off top zones. I don't know what it's called, but that guy was cool. Okay, we have Link again. It's just like Link City, basically, at this point. This guy, I think, is saying like, oh, the top is in. And he could be proven wrong by that kind of up move beyond 5 and then back down, which may happen. But yeah, this guy's like saying, "Oh, the top is in." You know, everyone, hide your kids, wife, and I don't know where I'm going with that. This guy looks like. Oh yeah, do you guys remember that guy who posted the 2 horizontal lines with Link, where there was one upper horizontal line and one lower horizontal line, and I think that upper horizontal line was where he wanted to short, and I think he probably just filled a short. And in order for him to have the most pain possible, we need price to pump. Let me see if I can actually find that guy. I would be shocked if I could. That'd be so cool. Not so cool, but it'd be be pretty cool. Okay, where are you, Link guy? Did I pass him? Or am I just imagining things? He was like somewhere here where he posted 2 horizontal lines on Link. Hope I'm not scrolling too quickly and like confusing you guys, but you'd have to scroll like you can go back earlier in the here he is, yeah. So Crypto Kujira put a 4.88, which is probably where he wanted to limit sell, and I think he may have just gotten filled. If that horizontal line is what I think it is, his indication of limit sell, then, and this is Crypto Kujira again, and no wonder he's so bearish because he probably just got his order filled. That's why he's so bearish. And Crypto Kujira here saying that his limit sell probably just got filled at 4.88. Okay, so Link, yeah, we're gonna get a pump. Let's see. Let me go on to the 5 minute. This is so interesting to me. I don't know about you guys, but it's very interesting to me. So if he got filled at 4.88, and if the market, on Coinbase he got filled at yeah. Let's go to Coinbase. Where are you, Coinbase? There you are. Thank you, sir. So if you got filled at 4.88, you filled right there, which is actually a good fill right now because he currently be up. No, he's actually currently down because fees on Coinbase are so high that even with a 0.22% profit, you're still down money. But I don't think you can short on Link. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think you can short on Link on Coinbase though. So he probably got his order filled on Binance, if anything. That's my theory. Binance Futures, that is. But nevertheless, he's bearish at 4.88, which could mean that price goes up. All right, let's see what else we have here. And it may just automatically like refresh. Oh, God. Okay, all right, this is a lot. It may like just automatically refresh, so, prepare your eyes for just a random thing happening. This guy is bullish on Lincoln. No, it's not the same guy. It's not that Kujira guy. Yeah, it's like Link. Everyone's just like, oh, Link. What's Bitcoin? Oh, it's another substitute of Link. Oh, there you go. Thank you. All right, what did you post for us here? You gave me a Doge USD 4-hour on Bittrex. I don't know what the indicator is here. Is it funding? Maybe. Probably not, actually. This is just not telling me anything. There's just nothing I can tell you here. This is something good. Same guy, Juan Pierre. Are you Juan Pierre up here? No, Jacobs T. This guy is mooning on XRP. He really thinks that XRP is going to move. It looks like all of his analysis is bullish. Does he have any places where he indicated where he may have filled his orders? No. All right, let's go look at XRP. Because this man is apparently thinking that it's, going to be a moonshot. Doesn't really look very, very bullish to me, but looks very, very bullish to him. Doesn't really scream bullishness to me, though. This isn't like something I'm like, oh my god, this looks so bullish. This, to me, looks like it's going to be continued consolidation. Doesn't really look like it's going anywhere crazy soon, but yeah, we'll see. So no new guys here coming in. No new guys here. I'm just really curious about Link. I really want to see, by the time you guys watch this video, what happens. Because there's so many people on TA Live that are talking about it that, I'm just curious what's going to happen here. Are we going to get that high volatility pump above 5? And then are we going to crash after that? I mean, let's see. Let me see also what are people doing here on the 5 minute for positioning. Yeah, it looks like they're just continuing to short, and it looks like actually, ooh, that's interesting. Looks like top traders, top 20% by account size, are actually increasing their positions, are going long, right? They're going long, but the smaller traders are actually going short. We can see that from here to here, we have a 0.465% long, right? No, not 46.5% long on Link on Binance Futures for total traders. We're now at 45.55%. So we've dropped by 1% in all of total traders. That's a lot. So this to me is looking bullish on Link. But of course, I could be wrong, and a lot of things could happen and I could be wrong. But this does look bullish on Link, but we will see. Perhaps a lot of what happens to Link will also be dependent on what happens to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops dramatically, then Link will, probably drop dramatically too. All right, guys, that's going to be it for TACharts.live. This is a really fun site. You can get other people's indicators. You can do it for some comedy purposes, which is always fun because people can post the wackiest stuff on here. So, do it for the meme. or you can do it to actually trade with or trade against some of these analyses, like what I did today, kind of how I dissected Link. So that's going to do it for this video. And you guys can let me know if you guys have any questions or anything about this, but I will be linking this site in the description below as per usual. With that, happy trading, and I'll see you guys in the next one.